Hi guys, this is Yashfa. Welcome back to the second episode of the podcast. Today I have the smartest, the funniest, the most talented, the vocal celebrity that all of us love. 7 of my friends texted me to tell her that, we love her. And I have to drum roll. We have Mancha Pasha. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. No, actually, a lot of my friends texted me to tell me, oh my god, tell her we love her.
Oh,
And I
that's
was
so
like,
sweet.
okay.
I love them too.
Okay, thank you. This is on tape, so we can tell them.
You can tell them.
First things first,
Haan.
your trailer came out.
Yes.
It's very nice.
Thank you.
What was it like playing a journalist?
It was difficult. इनकी एक body language होती है, and they, especially when they're on camera, they can talk very very fast और बड़ी उनकी सलीस उर्दू होती है. तो वो ज़रा मुश्किल था. I was kind of nervous about that, but otherwise it was okay. It's my job now. अब मैं used to हो गई.
Really? How did you get the film? Movie मिली कैसे? What was like? Walk me through the experience.
Now it's been 2.5 years, तो मुझे इतना याद नहीं है, लेकिन I remember, I think that I got a call from Jalal Bhai, and he told me that there's a film that he wants to direct. And they had already spoken to Junaid about the film. And they were like, Junaid is interested in doing it, and we want you to play the lead next to him. And I was like, ठीक है. फिर I said कि ज़रा script भेजें. I read the script, then I went for a meeting, and then I heard the songs, and I was keen to do it. I was like, हाँ ये मुझे film करनी है, because it was something different than what I had been offered. Usually मुझे बड़े serious roles दिए जाते थे. This was a good meaty role for a girl, but at the same time there was glamour and there was dance and there was all of that. तो आपको ऐसे भी नहीं रखा गया that you're just like this pretty, side pick showpiece. वो भी नहीं था. So it was a meaty role, and it had all of that added. So I felt that this was the right transition into like entertainment films and stuff.
That's good. How was your experience? ये कि you danced.
Yeah,
Did you know how to dance? Did you learn how to dance?
Yeah, everybody in Pakistan knows how to dance. ये है कि कुछ लोग ज़्यादा अच्छा नाचते हैं, कुछ लोग थोड़ा कम अच्छा नाचते हैं, लेकिन नाचना सबको आता है क्योंकि हमने अपने घर की जो भी शादियाँ हैं उनमें रौनकें हमने ही लगाई हैं. So, but it's different dancing on screen. Obviously, you're more nervous and such. And it takes more practice, obviously. But I knew how to dance. I've been dancing since I was a kid. I just had never danced on screen.
कैमरे के सामने डांस करते हुए होता नहीं? हमारी तो स्नैपचैट से वीडियो
मेरी तो बहुत तबीयत भी खराब थी. So I only got 1 day of rehearsal. So I was very nervous कि यार मुझे तो rehearsal का time भी नहीं मिला.
You did that with 1 day of rehearsal?
Yeah, because of the fact that I was extremely ill. मुझे बहुत मेरी engagement हुई और उसके बाद मेरी बहुत तबीयत खराब हो गई for like a good 2.5 weeks. Like बहुत तबीयत खराब हो गई. And then they had only 1 or 2 days and they were going to shoot the film, and I was like, what should I do? So I बुखार में मैंने rehearsal कराया था और बड़ी बुरी हालत में मैंने ये गाना shoot किया था. तो बस अब देखें.
लेकिन on screen it looks amazing. How has the response been so far?
It's been good. I think people are interested, and especially like it's this थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा courageous move है क्योंकि it's the second film post COVID. So let's see, but people are finding it interesting. I think that it's gonna do well.
दिलकश जो कश तस्की के जब दम पे दम लगाए सोवे खराश बजाना कोई बला मसालक जाए दिल मस्त मजे मस्ती के.
इससे मैं आपने एक बात की इसके ऊपर मैं वापस आऊँगी. मेरा आपसे एक छोटा सा इख्तिलाफ है.
अच्छा.
मतलब आप सोच नहीं सकती क्या होगा. एक तो ये कि you got married and you got engaged and
Yes.
How has it been?
ये आपका इख्तिलाफ है क्या? Why
नहीं मैं आपको इख्तिलाफ नहीं इख्तिलाफ आपको बताती हूँ. सॉरी नहीं no homo नहीं इख्तिलाफ ये नहीं. मैं बताती हूँ आपको इख्तिलाफ क्या. पहले मुझे बताइए how has it like been?
It's been lovely. It's lovely when you get to spend more time with somebody who's nice.
इसलिए पोकर फेस साथ कह रही हैं आप. It's lovely to spend time with. Do you not like your husband?
I love my husband very very much.
Fine.
I am smiling. I'm just. अभी 12 बज रहे हैं यहाँ पे, and ये probably सुबह की उठी हैं, शाम के उठी हैं 4-5 बजे. मैं सुबह की उठी हूँ 7 बजे.
मैं भी सुबह 7 बजे की उठी हुई हूँ. Hi sis.
My energy by this time is really low. No, it's lovely because if you get to spend more time with somebody who you are compatible with and who you have fun with, so it is fun. It's marriage is fun if you get to marry somebody who you really like. And I have married somebody who I really like.
A little girl talk.
Yeah.
Did you fall in love with him as soon as you saw him?
Not as soon as I saw him, but
did you think he was cute when you saw him?
Yeah. I thought he was very cute when I saw him. I thought he was very good looking. And but after spending a little bit of time with him, I fell very fast. That's what I can say. Okay, it बहुत जल्दी I was like, yeah, I think this is the one. Right?
अब मैं आपके खिलाफ बताऊँ?
बताइए.
I hate feminine stuff. Like I'm the least feminine chick on the planet. And in 22 years of my life, I liked one lehenga. One lehenga.
And I wore it.
And you wore it. And I called my best friend. The first thing I saw your wedding photos, I was like, bro. And I really like you because you're really vocal and all that. So I like you as a celebrity, like as a layman. तो मैंने उसको बोला, मैं कहा bro हाँ मुझे माशा की शादी हो गई है. उसने बोला हाँ मुझे पता है. मैं कहा bro लहंगा देखा उसका? उसने बोला हाँ देखा है. मैं कहा यार.
तू पहन लो.
Yeah, it's Mancha Pasha's lehenga. Now it's your lehenga.
Make it in another color. I guess.
White.
But
You look very pretty.
Thank you very much. Baby pink भी उसमें अच्छा लगेगा, and even a pastel green and that same one will look nice.
I will call you when I decide to get married.
Yes, for sure. तब तक कुछ और अच्छा लग जाएगा. Unless you're planning your wedding very soon, you're probably not, right? So तब तक you'll find something else.
No offense to you, but
no. Okay.
Like
you'll find somebody else. You'll find something else to wear.
somebody else. You'll find somebody else. You'll find something else. You'll find somebody. Come on, I'm married. You'll find somebody. You broke bitch. You'll find somebody. It's all right.
Yeah.
No, but ये कि अच्छा coming back to the film. आपको trade से like the industry, because you've been acting for quite some time now, you have a lot of famous projects on your hands and you're very vocal about. I'll come back like to how vocal you are later. आपको trade से क्या problems मिले से? The industry. What problems did you face? Yeah, what do you think is something that like, you know, problem जो हैं भी something that you faced personally?
I think that there is what is the problem? Yeah, I mean, especially if you're struggling, I think getting noticed is, I wouldn't say a problem, but it's difficult to get noticed for your craft.
No, but like actors, like you guys, the industry, the actors that are existing, आप लोगों के क्या problems हैं? आप लोगों को क्या?
Yeah, बहुत सारे from little to big ones, like okay, getting a decent bathroom on set can be a problem. That's a very genuine problem on set. Better working conditions can be a problem. Better work timings can be a problem. We work 12-hour shifts everywhere in the world. It's 8 hours max, right? So, ये सारे from little to big issues. There's a lot of structure, and it's probably because हमारी जो industry है वो अभी इतनी expand नहीं हुई है, and it's not एक regular working system अभी तक नहीं बन सका है. Like there's so much stop and start. बाकी ममालिक में आप देखेंगे तो वो 40-50 साल से एक ही चीज़ करते हैं, so they have the do's and don'ts like the back of their hand, right? यहाँ पे अभी भी we are sort of still paving a way. So from little to big, there are many structural things that need to be ironed out. So हो जाएंगे, I think, in the next few years.
You're very good, well said. You're very vocal about stuff that's happening, which is the reason why I love you and I really appreciate your existence. Because there are very little people in the world who use their power to do good. And you talk about, all of the stuff like going to the Aurat March and you're posting pictures from COVID to doctors and all of that. And obviously, uske par backlash hota hai. There's a woman who's confident in Pakistan, you receive backlash for that. So, do you think you're like over it and you're like, because you continue to do your thing, which I love, but does it like bring you down sometimes?
Yeah, it brings me down sometimes. And it brings me down sometimes, and it brings me. I always prioritize my own mental health before anything else. So at moments when I feel like it's not worth it, then it's not worth my agony, then I just don't do it, because the point is at front and center मुझे अपना काम भी करना है. I have to be healthy in order to look after my family, to be a good wife, to be a good daughter. For that I need my mental sanity in order to function day to day. And if anything really disturbs that, then I try just not to say anything. But at moments when I feel that no, this is the thing that I need to say और मुझसे रहा नहीं जाएगा until I say it, तो फिर I say it. It's really like किसी ने मुझ पे कुछ कहा नहीं है. This is my own personal choice. So I do it when it is something that I feel कि ऐसा नहीं होगा कि मैं 4 comments पढ़ के ज़मीन पर बैठी भी होंगी, रो रही होंगी. I have to have that kind of strength at that moment, because strength is also something जो आपकी day to day change होती है. You are not strong all the time. So I have to, in that moment, be strong and confident enough in myself to say what I want to say and be able to deal with any comments that come my way.
That is some
deep, real talk.
You said you're doing amazing, sweetie. No, but that's like good advice. You had a new actress working with you.
Yes.
Would you give her the same advice? Like, would you have like sessions where you would give her advice or stuff? Yeah.
No, she's a very well-established model, Roma, and it was her first time in acting. But the director was there to give her any acting cues. It's very hard because you're concentrating on your own role. So it's very hard unless somebody comes to you for advice. And usually, अगर कोई मुझसे पूछता है कि मैं सीन में कैसा कर रहा हूँ या कैसी कर रही हूँ, मेरे लिए बड़ा मुश्किल होता है because at that point I'm concentrating on how I have to perform. I'm just looking at the other person for the cue and for to give a reaction to whatever they are doing. I'm not absorbing their acting. और उनका कैरेक्टर मुझे उसका ग्राफ उतना अच्छे से नहीं पता होता जितना मुझे अपना पता. मुझे उनके डायलॉग्स याद हो जाएंगे because I'm reading the script, so I know their next dialogue, but I won't remember their graph. So usually it's very difficult. I leave it to the director to direct other actors. I don't direct them or give them advice unless they ask for it. I feel that's imposing on somebody to have advice. No, कुछ नहीं.
नहीं, but like वैसी बातें like general.
यार आजकल जो भी इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहा है वो बहुत समझदार है.
हाँ, सबको आपसे बेहतर.
मुझे यूजुअली होता है कि तुम लोग मुझे एडवाइस दे दो बिकॉज मुझे कभी कभी लगता है कि आई नीड टू लर्न फ्रॉम एवरीवन. Even if they're new, even if they're whatever, they're modeling, they can give me. मैं तो हर बंदे को सेट पे देख रही होती हूँ, मैं ये सोच रही होती हूँ यार इसकी ये आदत बड़ी अच्छी है, or she deals with this situation very well, this that, ये इसकी styling अच्छी है. So I'm the one who's actually picking up from them. I don't know if they get to pick up anything from me. So it's just something you learn with time, I think. But yeah, there are many people who I take inspiration from, both in Pakistan and abroad. Many great people who have a great sense of fashion.
Great, कौन great?
Yeah, my stylist has a great sense of fashion. Okay, so I take inspiration from her. Rabia Bhatt, I've mentioned a lot of times, who's the model. She has a great sense of fashion. So abroad, dekhe Zendaya is like, she's amazing. She's got a great sense of fashion.
You do give Zendaya vibes.
No, I don't give Zendaya. Please, आपके लोग video बंद कर देंगे. She's extremely fashionable and she can be because she has such. At the end of the day, you're only as good as your stylists, your makeup artists, and the designers that make the clothes. Okay, you're only as good as these people.
नहीं, you know how to carry yourself.
हाँ, carry yourself is something that okay, I can take credit for, that you know how to carry the clothes that are put on your back. But the clothes, whether they are good or not good, depends really on your stylist, your makeup artist, and your designer and your photographer. Because it's how they present you at the end of the day that makes the most difference. आपके कपड़े अच्छे हों और आपकी फिटिंग ऑफ हो, वो कपड़ा नहीं अच्छा लगेगा आपसे. तो डिजाइनर काउंट करता है, स्टाइलिस्ट काउंट करता है, ये सारी चीजें they count. They make the person really
good. Okay, now coming back to you being vocal. You're very vocal, all of that, great. Of the movie, it taps into a lot of tricky subjects, but subjects that I feel like, because you talk about stuff and like, I love that. I mentioned that pehle bhi. I don't know why I'm saying it again, but I do. Lekin ye kya matlab, you talk about very difficult stuff, and the movie taps into a lot of difficult stuff, like drug abuse and power struggle and all of that. Did the movie speak to you? Do you feel like drug addiction is a problem and it needs to be? Because the characters, they're so relatable, because every person is from a different walk of life. Everybody's doing something different. So do you think that when that comes together, it's going to speak to people? Because it does speak to a lot of people. And do you think the drugs wala factor aap logon ne incorporate kiya, which is very different, very new, very needed, how do you think that's going to play out?
I mean, yeah, it speaks to me because it's a topic जो कि बहुत relevant है. I mean, मैं आज भी किसी को कह रही थी कि ये एक ऐसा मसला है that cuts across economic lines. बहुत सारे कम मसले होते हैं that cut across economic lines like this. बेशक वो अमीर से अमीर इंसान हो या गरीब से गरीब इंसान हो, उन सबका contact at one point or the other, either through their own selves or through their family members, is with drugs at certain point, right? So it's that prevalent. So yeah, it's definitely a very very pertinent topic, and मुझे लगता है कि जो इसकी treatment है ना, वो इतनी कोई intellectual नहीं हुई है. It's done in a way that it is still entertaining and it will still provide the message to people कि भाई, this is not something that's good and it can really affect your life. So I think that's what spoke to me, because I wanted to tackle a heavy subject in a non-heavy way. तो ये फिल्म ये कर लेती है कि एक बड़े हैवी सब्जेक्ट को एक नॉट सो हैवी तरीके से प्रेजेंट कर देती है, which still makes it an entertaining film. It doesn't feel like okay भाई कोई हमें लेक्चर दे रहा है, Yeah.
Instagram audience.
Yeah.
You sang for them and you know, for over 1 million. I'm not 1 million people. I'm not even
You're one people.
I'm one people. I'm 11 people.
Yeah.
No, would you please sing for me?
आजा सनम मधुर चांदनी में हम तुम मिले तो वीराने में भी आ जाएगी बहार चूमने लगेगा आसमां चूमने लगेगा आसमां कहता है दिल और मचलता है दिल मोरे साजन ले चल मुझे तारों के पास लगता नहीं है दिल यहाँ लगता नहीं है दिल यहाँ
What can't you do? You can act, you can sing, you can dance, you have good fashion sense. हम मत जाते फिर आप जी ले.
नहीं
It's Mancha Pasha's world. We're just living in it.
No,
We're
it's
just
not
vibing with it. All right. I'm gonna make a boomerang.
Okay.
Thank you for singing with me.
so much.
What do you want to do in the boomerang? All right. We had Mancha Pasha with us. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you
being
guys,
here.
fine.
From my 7 friends and the 8th one being me, we love you. We appreciate you being this vocal about our issues. And there are very little people who use their power to, benefit other people. And it's great what you're doing. We wish you the best of luck for the film. It looks very promising. The trailer looks very nice. And well, good luck.
Thanks. Do go and watch it.
I will, definitely I will. We had Mancha Pasha, you guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.
Bye bye.